Ever wished your car could gossip, but like only about people cutting you off? Well, meet your new silent tattletale, the Rexing DT2 Dual Channel Dash Cam. It sees everything, remembers everything, and never complains about traffic, unlike me on Mondays. So I've been testing this little spy for my car, and let me tell you, it's not just a camera. It's like hiring a private investigator that never sleeps. Stick around because by the end of this, you'll know if it's worth letting this dash cam watch over your ride, or if it's just another fancy paperweight. First up, it's dual channel, which means front and rear cameras are recording full HD 1080p and at 30 FPS. And yes, your front bumper selfies will be crystal clear. The 170-degree wide-angle lens is so wide, it basically catches that squirrel trying to commit jaywalking behind your car. Seriously, it covers almost everything. Goodbye blind spots. Now, if you're like me, most accidents happen when you're not even driving. Parking lot chaos, anyone? This dash cam has enhanced night vision with f1.8 aperture and HDR. Pair it with optional smart hardwire kit and it becomes a 24/7 parking detective. Recording any suspicious vibrations, your car safety just leveled up. Ever hit a bump and thought, did anything happen? The built-in G sensor has your back. Sudden shakes or collisions automatically lock the footage so no important video gets overwritten. Combine that with loop recording and you'll never run out of memory. Old clips make way for new ones, basically like your phone's storage but way smarter. And the best part, the design is discreet and low profile. Nobody will even know it's there unless they're staring directly at it. Mounting it, super simple. I installed it myself in like 5 minutes while still holding my coffee. So if you want a reliable, all-seeing car body that doesn't eat your snacks or judge your driving, the Rexing DT2 is worth a look. Trust me, your car and your future self will thank you. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store linked below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.